Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. Let's talk spoilers. We are going to be talking about everything with the Allure Beauty Box for April 2024. I'm so excited to share with you guys because there's a lot of great products inside of the box for April. Additionally, you are able to customize one of these items as well. So if you are an existing member and you have not customized yet, make sure you get on that right away. You got to get in there, get into your profile, do it quickly because they are selling out very fast. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our unboxing video, and we're going to check out the April of 2024 Allure Beauty Box. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining us today. We are going to be doing a full unboxing of the April Allure box. Now, I will be posting a link down below if you are interested in purchasing this beauty subscription box. If you purchase in the month of March, you will receive the March Allure box. So just keep that in mind that what I'm going to show you guys are spoilers for April. It will be available on April 1st. Additionally, I will be posting coupon codes down there as well. That way you guys can save a little bit of money off. For March, you can actually get your box for $17.50. The entire beauty box for only $17.50. Inside of your Allure box, you will receive a booklet that will talk to you about all of the products inside. We do have a theme this month, which is Freshen Up. Every single month with Allure, you will receive 3 full-size products, but you're also going to receive 3 sample-sized items as well. So you will have a total of at least 6 products inside of your box every month. If for some reason you do not receive 6 items, there is a phone number that you can contact Allure and you can get assistance that way. So the first item inside of our box that I know we're all excited about is a full-size bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. Now this full-size product is amazing. I am obsessed with Charlotte Tilbury products. I've talked about this on the channel before. I love her bronzers. When I saw this was going to be in the Allure box, my jaw literally dropped. I was like, holy bananas, they got a bronzer in here. And it's not the travel size, right? Like this is full size. Additionally, you get to customize this. So if you're an existing member, you can log into your account on the Allure website, and in there you can manage your subscription and you'll be able to choose the shade that you want for this bronzer. Now, some of the shades are selling out very quickly because they're more popular. That is why you have to customize right away in order to get the shade that you want. However, Allure is also restocking these. So if you don't see your shade yet, it may still become available, but definitely customize as soon as you can. Now, this bronzer is $58. Get $58 in a $25 beauty box. This one item is double the value on this box. So like I said, I already own this bronzer. I use it. I love it. I actually have it on today. This bronzer is great because it's also infused with hyaluronic acid inside of it. So it's kind of a 2-for-1 beauty trick. You're not only going to get makeup out of this, but you're also getting essential vitamins that your skin loves to have at the same time. So it's a hydrating bronzer, and inside you have a very large mirror, but you have this massive pan of bronzer, which I love because you're able to pick up a lot of pigment in one go, apply it, and you can do a sweep all over. So this is what the light shade will look like. Now, bronzers are supposed to be darker in color. They're going to be darker than your complexion because you're giving a bronzing glow. Now, typically with a bronzer, you're going to want to apply it in certain areas. So if you notice here, right on my forehead, this is the lightest area. You do not want to put bronzer right here. You also don't want it underneath your eyes. If you put bronzer in this area, it will make your under eye area look like it's a dark circle, or it could look deeper or sunken in. So you never want to put a dark color in these spots. You want it to be a little bit brighter in those areas. But bronzers are great if you're contouring over here, if you want to add a little bit of dimension, make it look like you've got a stronger jawline even all along here. You can also use it for a bit of a glow if you're looking for a tan. I will put it down on my neck just to kind of even out those colors a bit. So it's great because you can use bronzer anywhere besides just your face. Obviously, that's the most popular, but take it from me, I have used this all over the place. It's an evening glow, and it just looks so beautiful on. I just have to do it one more time because I'm so excited. Holy bananas! Okay, phew, I got that out of my system. Those of you that are new to my channel are probably going, wow, this girl has a lot of energy and is a bit crazy. That is true, but I do have a good time over here. The next item inside of our April Allure boxes is also going to be full size, and it is from Grande Cosmetics. This product, it works. I'm obsessed with it. My own mother uses this product and her lashes look amazing. This is the Lash Enhancing Serum. So this full-size product is a clear product. You will apply this directly onto your lashes and doing it at least once a day. But honestly, I've done it morning and night, and I feel like you get better results if you do it twice a day. It is designed to give your lashes peptides and nutrients that it needs, and it's going to make your lashes longer, stronger as well, so they're not going to be brittle and to flake off. So this is a 3-month product. There's enough serum in here to use this every day for 3 months, which is more than enough for you to use. It will give you results before that 3 month is over, but this is a lot to have. Now this product, if you were gonna go purchase this at Sephora right now, $68. Yeah. So instead of going to Sephora to purchase this, just purchase the Allure box in April and you're gonna get it for a way lower price point. The third full-size product that everyone will be receiving in April is going to be the fragrance by Rosie Jane. Now this fragrance is called Missy, and it is supposed to be an ocean coconut scent. So we did have a fragrance from this brand previously, but it was not this scent. So you are not receiving a duplicate or repeat product. This is a different one that we have, but it is a full-size fragrance. So these fragrances are typically a roller ball, and you'll just roll this directly onto like the insides of your wrist here. It does take like a couple passes just to activate it, and then you'll get that fragrance right away. Man, it's good. Oh, and it is so good. Now, it's definitely a coconut scent, so you're gonna smell that right away, but there's also a brightness in there, because what's odd is when I smell it, I think of the sun. So there's something bright and lifting. So inside of our booklet, it says that this is a blend of mandarin and coconut. It is supposed to resemble a day at the beach with a sunset and the salt of the ocean. Yeah, I get the sunset. I don't know how I can smell the sun, but I instantly get that image when I smell this fragrance. So this retails for $45 for this full-size bottle. So now let's talk about the 3 sample-sized items that everyone will be receiving in April. So the first item that we're going to be receiving is going to be a bag balm. This is a lip moisturizer, and it features vitamin E inside of this. Now it is a sealed tube, and this will just be a clear product. So I'm not gonna swatch it today because it does come up clear. However, this will be a fragrance-free lip balm, so it's not going to have any scent towards it, so it should be safe for everyone to use. It will help repair any dry or cracked lips that you might have, giving you that moisture that your lips desire. Now, if you were to purchase this exact size, it retails for $5.99 on the Bag Balm's website. I feel like we can all use lip balm, right? Like, I have lip balm with me. I even have it in these pants right now, you guys. I have lip balm with me all the time. The next sample size that everyone will be receiving is from Kerastase. This is a gloss for your hair. So this product is called the Chroma Gloss, and we have 15 ml or 0.5 ounces here. This hair care product is designed to reduce frizz, but also give a little bit of shine to your hair. So it's like a lip gloss, except for your hair. This is a hair gloss. It's also going to help to extend the color treatment that you have in between your visits to the salon. So it should make it a little bit more vibrant, a little bit more bold because of the gloss that you're applying. Sometimes when you're in a salon, they'll actually apply a gloss on there, and it will actually help to bring out those colors a little bit more so. So this is very similar to that. However, it's not going to be the professional grade is the only thing. So if you were going to purchase this product in stores, it would retail for $58 for the full-size version, which is 210 ml. So definitely not this product here, but it is a name brand product. The last item that everyone will be receiving in their April Allure box is another skincare product from Frudia. Now, this is a Korean skincare company, and they make a lot of different skincare products that feature fruit extracts inside of them. That's pretty much the core of their brand, is the fruit extracts. So the item that we have here is actually an adorable little pot. This is their miniature version, so they do make much larger versions than this, but it is the Green Grape Pore Control Cream. So this is how it will look inside of the April box. It is 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. And this product is designed to give you antioxidants back into your skin, making it a little bit more plump and a little bit more bouncy. But additionally, it's going to give you hydration and moisture. Once you apply this on as your final step in your skincare routine, you will be able to create a barrier by means of this drying and solidifying. So it's not a solid that will be on your face, but you'll rub it in just like a normal moisturizer. Once it dries, it actually creates a locking barrier to prevent an escape of any moisture that you might have throughout the day. It's also going to prevent any environmental damage as well, so it will really lock in that hydration and keep it there. And that's what I mean by the barrier. It's not going to actually be like this jelly that's sticking on your face or something. So this is our adorable little pot. I just have to tell them, this is the best packaging in our April box. It is so cute. I love the little pot. It looks like something Winnie the Pooh might have had. Like if Winnie the Pooh was doing skincare, I'm pretty sure he would have had this pot. So here's what the formula will look like inside. It's labeled as a cream, but honestly, I feel like this is more of a jelly than anything because it is a little bit bouncy. It's got a little bit of that jelly feel to it. So that is everything, you guys, for the April Allure Beauty Box. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are you excited? Now, don't forget, you can purchase this box April 1st. That's when it will become available. I will be posting this video up before April 1st, so just know that if you order using my link, you will receive the March box. Which honestly, the March box is not a bad box at all. It's not a bad time to sign up because then you're definitely going to get the April Beauty Box. And if you do sign up in March, not only would you get it, you'd be able to customize your April box as well. Honestly, from a reviewing standpoint, I am so excited this month. There is not a single item in here that I will not use. In fact, I'm already using 2 of them that I have in my lineup personally. I love this fragrance because I can still smell it even right now. Sometimes the Rosie Jane fragrances are a little bit more subtle and not as strong. This one I honestly think is the strongest one I've ever smelled from them. So it's a really good fragrance. Definitely beach vibes. So I do like that a lot. But the value is there. I mean, Charlotte Tilbury, you guys, the Grande Lashes, like, I mean, seriously, I can't believe we're getting all of this for only $25 a month. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the box. I want to hear your feedback. We can chit chat all about it. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!